Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make Windows 10 look cool and kind of like Windows 11. So let's go. First, disable all of this and then show search icon only, and then go to toolbars and enable links. Then unlock the taskbar. These things are called links. Drag it all the way to this end until all the stuff appears in the right side, and then center it. Then disable show title and lock the taskbar. After this, download this app from the Microsoft Store and open it. Once you open it, it might take some time for you, and then you can put custom settings for how your taskbar is gonna look in every mode. Here are my settings, and then you can also do this view small icons. After this, you can put some cool wallpapers as well. It's mostly your choice. So, this is one, and then this is the other. So, yeah, this kind of looks like Windows 11. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.